travelers. I know this is not India. I've gone all the way to Genoa to find out what surprising things to have in Genoa. I'm at a conference, but I think I have time to do some sightseeing here in Genoa now and then. Surprise, surprise! This is really a surprise, I think. Did you know that Christopher Columbus, who thought he found the seaway to America, he was Italian, born here in Genoa? He must be one of the big heroes of Genoa. And they made this terrible statue of him just near the railway station here in Genoa. Le petit train touristique, I love petit train touristique. This is a must. I've got to have a train ride. This is the Harry Potter place here in Genoa. I will go in there and see what I can find. Some very strange things they got here. Oh, how exciting. It is a little magical place. We like it here. It's very good. And there are mirrors. And magic stuff. Oh. Oh, there he is. There he is. Potter. The owner of this place looks a little like her, but she said no, I should not take a photo of her. She was not interested. It was too dangerous to be photographed. Don't even think about taking a picture of me, she said. Via Lomellini, this is where Harry Potter has his shop. And I'm approaching the old town here. With narrow lanes called Caruggi. This is a little Caruggi. She's very brave, she's going down there. But okay, it's in the middle of the afternoon. And shops, you have ordinary shops all there. And have wonderful fruit. Beautiful fruit. He was not Italian, he was Spain, but okay. Pinocchio is better, he was real Italian. This must be a graffiti Caruggi, very small lanes indeed. Here I think several Caruggis meet each other. This is a little place, and this looks like a place for tourists more and more. A Caruggi place for tourists. Let's go down and see what they've got here. Oh. Pizza-like stuff, and sausages are there. Here, packed in red, packed in bread, and other Italian stuff. Oh. Well, this must be the engine part of Genoa. Oh, it's just a clothes factory, I think. But there's a smell here of, what you call that? In English? Incense. You can get a spiritual with 7 chakras. Nina, it looks like an Indian woman who's the owner of this place. This is a very picturesque Caruggi they got here. And besides that, a special shop where you can get all the lovely bonbon shoot. Look at that. It is fantastic. All the things they got here. Oh. I think it's school classes going here to visit the city. Bye bye. There are a lot of people, but most of them are Italian. I think they live here. It's not tourists like in Venice or somewhere in Rome. This is people who's living here and walking here home from their work and buying things in these shops. Salvi. Hey, Salvi. Surprise, surprise, again and again. A little church here in a fantastic piazza. A little beautiful piazza. And all people here speak Italian. A lot of Italian. And you can buy Italian books in this shop. There are many cozy places here in Genoa. And this is the harbour. I'm coming to the harbour. I also can get something nice. Snacks to eat here. I am 100% sure that Christopher, the young Christopher, he learned here how to handle a ship. The old harbour in Genoa. And there is a terrible flyway in the middle of the old part of the city. It's a vandalism. It's Italian vandalism as it was. Some people has got a lot of money. And take a look at this Palazzo San Giorgio, an old historical sign with a beautiful view to the flyway and the harbour and palms. You can see from here, it's very obvious how disgusting and ugly that flyway is in the middle of Genoa, the oldest harbour. Here's a plan of the Porto Antico di Genoa. And here you can see how you can live very close to public transportation. Terrible house. Again, surprise, surprise. Peace sign, peace down. A guitar, what is that doing here in Genoa? Here we have the pizzeria near the harbour. All kinds of fish, calamares.
She's the woman of Harlem. She's the one that drives me so.
Afternoon show.
That's right.
Look what I found. I have traveled a long time and I found a gelateria. In my opinion, it is the most gastronomic part of Italian food. It is gelato. fantastic gelatos. I can get 3 bowl. Chocolate and mango. It's very difficult to choose here. And I think so also Nicola. You know. Look what I got. Nicoletta, chocolate and mango. Oh, what a sight. I'll be gelateria. This will be my ice cream place for after dinner. Look at this wonderful place. Oh, many customers. Why shall I go and have some dinner? This looks very touristic, I think. I'll try something else. Let me go down here and have a look. Altså, det her. Det er ikke rigtigt. Det er godt nok ret lokalt. Men jeg ved sgu aldrig rigtigt. Men der man får sådan et sted. Som det er måske her. It's nice to see pictures of everything. People like that. This looks like a pizzeria. Traditional. Well, perhaps this arrangement here, what is that? It's a little special. And any place. They look a little scary, some of those caroggi. But I think I take this table here. And I think I will have some Greek Lear. Okay, I must sit here. I was told. I took spaghetti with seafood, frutti di mare. So I got a jolly one. Take a look at this place. I am certainly going to be busy the next 20 minutes or so.